And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We replaced the piece there. As you can see, this was the old piece right here. Let me hold it up here. Sorry about that. There's the old piece. There's the old clunker. $13 online, brand new part. There's the old one next to it. Looks terrible, disgusting. And if you look at the back of it, you can see where we were having problems there with all of the different old stuff happening over there. I must thought that was some water. Started busting out. This board went really bad. I think the guy, when he sprayed this thing, he got too much water inside here. And as you can see right around there, it's a bunch of bad stuff happening right there. And you can just look at this overall condition if this is bad. All right, and there you have it. Look at that. Tell me you think that was going to work anymore? This was the culprit right here. I believe he got too much water on here. And there's a new one, and she's working perfectly fine. She comes on, she goes off. It's nice and cold. It's freezing cold in here. All right, now I'm very happy I saved the guy told me $700 to fix this. He told me he'd have to change this and the board inside there for no reason, and then told me, okay, give me $150 just for coming here and driving to my house. Terrible. Works perfectly fine.